everyone, I am Sameha from Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful paper cardboard frame. So let's get started. To make this you will need a cardboard. I have cutted the cardboard as a frame. The size depends on you and you will need a colored paper. Now I am placing the cardboard on the colored paper and marking the middle space of the cardboard on the paper, and now making a cross or X on the paper. And now I am cutting the paper according the X or cross shape with a paper cutter. By using some white glue, I am sticking the cardboard with the paper. And now I am joining all the cutted paper with the cardboard. And now I am just cutting extra papers like this. And now I will cover the other side as its side. By using white glue, I will cover the other sides. Okay, the frame is ready. Now you can use any kind of photo as you want. But as I am doing a DIY, so I will do another DIY. I'm taking a white paper and a plastic sheet. I'm placing the plastic sheet on the white paper and marking with some color pens. And now I am spraying water with a spray bottle and now placing the white paper on the plastic sheet. I have a similar video with it and it's ready. With some white glue, I'm placing the paper with the frame. And now I'm taking a heart-shaped glitter paper and placing on it. You can use any shaped glitter paper with it, or you can use a normal paper. And it's ready. Hope you enjoyed. If you so, obviously like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.